everyone. We just wanted to share with you our helicopter tour in Alaska. We're just outside of Valdez, Alaska. This is the Colombia Glacier that Rob's going to show you. Look with the cloudy day how blue the hues are with the clouds today. It's just amazing. Best trip ever. We highly recommend these guys. Alpine Air Alaska is amazing. So just take a look. You're going to see the glacier and then all the break off from the glacier, and we'll do a full 360 for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for a lot more awesome videos.
There's our two pilots in the background. I'm going to zoom a little bit. Try to get a little bit of that glacier. I hope I'm not going too fast.
You're good, I think. You're going slow.
I figured like you sort of go that way, you're doing something.
It doesn't get much better than this. We're standing right between both sides of the Columbia Glacier. It's so beautiful.